Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Now create a new form. Click Blank Form to begin because templates add clutter. Once created, name the form and write a short description so respondents understand purpose. Next, click the Image button to prepare the first upload. Make sure your images are JPG or PNG and sized for clarity. This avoids slow loads. Also plan whether images sit above questions or as choice options. This choice affects layout and respondent focus. Now you'll add images into questions and choices. Click the image icon inside a question field and pick Upload, Drive, or Paste URL. Upload is fastest for local files. If you're adding images to multiple choice options, insert each image into its option so responses align visually. Once images are in place, include concise alt text in the question description for accessibility and SEO. Make sure to preview the form, because mobile layouts often stack differently than desktop. Finish by configuring question requirements, section flow, and response settings. This controls who can respond and how. Once you've done that, use the preview tool and submit a test response on phone and desktop to verify image display and form logic. If everything looks good, click Send to share via link, email, or embed. If images don't load, don't panic. Clear browser cache, re-upload reduced size files, or host images in Drive with correct sharing permissions. Then update the image source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.